What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you which one is better, betterAid or Cursor. So in this case, you might be wondering which one is better for you. So if you're a developer looking to speed up your workflow with AI, you'll probably come across Cursor or Aider here. So they're both built to help you write, refactor, and manage code faster, but they serve very different styles of working. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So let's start with Cursor here. So Cursor is essentially a supercharged code editor that blends the familiarity of VS Code with powerful AI enhancements. Now, if you like seeing your entire code base, jumping between files, getting real-time suggestions while you type, well, Cursor is right up your alley here. Now, it's packed with features like context-aware code completions and AI assistant that chats with you directly inside the editor, and tools for quickly refactoring or debugging entire projects. Now, Cursor doesn't just generate lines of code, it understands your entire workspace, helps you think through problems as you code. Now, it also supports top-tier models like GPT-4 and Claude, and everything is designed to feel intuitive, and you're already used to a visual IDE here. It's ideal for developers who want the AI to feel like co-pilot embedded into every part of their coding experience. Now, in this case, on the other hand, Aider here is all about simplicity and power in the terminal. Now, if you're someone who lives in the command line and enjoys working directly with Git, Aider is a great match here. It's not an editor, it's a CLI tool that listens to your instructions and makes changes to your code base directly, committing updates at it as it goes. Now, in this case, if you need to tweak logic across multiple files, just tell Aider here that you want, and it'll make the changes while keeping your Git history clean and traceable. Now, it's transparent, fast, and especially useful for developers who prefer a code-first, no-frills approach. Now, since Aider is open source, you run it locally and connect your own API key like from OpenAI, and this gives you more control and potentially zero recurring costs depending on how you handle API usage. Now, what about pricing here? So Cursor offers a free plan, but it comes with limits. So if you want full access to more powerful models and higher usage caps here, there's a $20 month per user plan. Now, Aider is completely free and open source. You'll just need to provide your own API key to make it work, and there's no subscription fees here, and it runs on your own machine. Now, you might be wondering which one is better, so pick Cursor if you want a sleek editor-based environment with AI built right into it, perfect for live debugging and large code bases, and a highly interactive experience. Now, go with Aider if you're more comfortable in the terminal and want an AI assistant that integrates tightly with Git. Now, it's great for precise edits, multi-file changes, and keeping your project history clean without the overhead of a full IDE. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.